Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a mirror on a GMC Sierra. First, gather your essential tools like a screwdriver set and a socket wrench. Make sure you have your new replacement mirror assembly ready. It's also a good idea to have a soft cloth to protect your vehicle's paint during the process. Having everything organized will make the job much smoother. Now, let's get that old mirror off. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel to access the mirror's mounting points and wiring. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, unbolt the old mirror from the door frame, usually with 3 or 4 bolts, and set it aside. With the old mirror removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, aligning the mounting holes. Secure the new mirror using the original mounting bolts, tightening them firmly but not excessively. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical wiring harness to restore power to your new mirror's features. Before you button everything up, it's crucial to test your new mirror. Turn on your vehicle and check all the mirror's functions, like power adjustments and turn signals. Once you confirm everything works, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Finally, give your new mirror and the surrounding area a good clean for a polished finish. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.